What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to use split screen on the iPhone XR. Okay, so unfortunately, I only know of two different ways to do this, and there really are no other ways right now. But what you want to do is just head over to the App Store, type in split screen, and you're going to get a couple different apps that come up at the top here. Now, the first one I want to open up for everybody, it's called Split Screen Multitasking. It's actually pretty awesome. The problem is that it's $9.99 currently. It used to be free. They moved it to paid. I think it's because a lot of people were downloading it and using it. And there's going to be a second one down here, Split Web Browser. But anyways, I'm going to open up the paid one so you can kind of see what it looks like. But it's actually really awesome. So, I mean, if you are somebody who likes to multitask and, you know, look at two different browsers at once, this would definitely be worth investing in. But I'm just going to show you how the app works. So as soon as you open it, you're going to get, you know, pretty much a bunch of different options on here for, first of all, you can move it up and down, and you've got some different browsing features on here. You can actually do anonymous browsing on here, so you've got incognito mode, you've got split screen screenshots, which is pretty cool, and some other things on here that I'm not really going to get into too much. But for example, a situation for me would be, let's say I'm maybe doing some like shopping on Amazon, we'll say. So let me just get to Amazon here. But at the same time as I'm shopping, I'll probably be, you know, like watching a YouTube video or something. So this is me right here. This is something that I would do. So it's nice because, I mean, you can literally maneuver everything very easy. It flows really nicely too when you're like browsing on here. So this is the paid option, right? It's going to be the better option, but they still have this split screen browsing option. Okay, so you don't really have too many features with it. Basically, when you get into it, this is what it looks like, and you can't maneuver, you know, the screens at all. You can either make them completely bigger or smaller. It still works, but it is a little bit buggy, you know, this being a free option. It's not going to be the best in the world, but I think it's still got some good reviews on it, like as you can see, because it's free. But anyways, those are literally the only two ways to use split screen on the iPhone XR right now. Message me below if you have any questions or comments. Please hit that like and share. Thanks for watching this, and we'll see you guys later.